Hello and welcome to KUNOMAIL, your email client. In our new short video tutorial, I want to show you some new features in our version 2.3.6. The first new feature, as you can see here, we have now some new red small bubbles here in this window, in this icon. They show you that you have a new message in one of your email accounts. You have insert here on the left side. Also, you can see here left on the top, there's one new unread email and one unread message. Here in inbox for my account VM2, there's a new message. That was my first message, and my settings are so if I'm direct on this message, it's marked as read. Now you can see there are no red bubbles, and the information here on the left top is disappeared. The next new thing, this option you can activate under Managed Settings, and then you go to Email. And here you have it in this box. Just scroll down. You have here here's the option Enable Display of Unread Emails in the window title. You just have to activate this one, save the settings, and then you have this option. Also, we have refurbished a little bit our interface here for wizards. It's a little bit cleaner. Also for Surface. We think it's a little bit more comfortable. So if you want to choose or if you want to change your skin, you can choose it here now via drop-down menu. You have here a little picture of your skin. Also, you can choose here your appearance, whether you have 3, for example, or 2 columns. Also, on the right side here, you can click on Enable Extended Background Settings. That is very important. If you change anything here on this side, you have to activate this one. And after this, please save the settings, and then your settings will be saved and will shown in KUNOMAIL. The next one is we go to File and then KUNOMAIL Backup. Backup is the same, but also a little bit more cleaner and more comfortable. If you create a backup, you can select here your backup items. Choose, for example, my emails. You can analyze the space, and it will be shown here on the side. Please enter for your backup and password. It's more secure if you do it. If I don't enter a password, there will be an information that we recommend this. But if you don't want, you can click here just on Next and your backup will be created. The same procedure, restore a backup, then you just select your file, enter your password or leave it blank, and then start the backup. Yeah, these were all options, all new options in our version. I hope you enjoy the video. Have a nice day or a good evening, and greetings from Berlin, your KUNOMAIL team. Bye.